Frigidaire washer error code E1 is a common issue that can occur in your washing machine, indicating a problem with the washer's electronic control board. To troubleshoot and resolve this error, follow these steps. First, understand that the E1 error code is usually related to a communication issue between the control board and the washer's components. This can be caused by a faulty connection, a malfunctioning sensor, or a software glitch. To start troubleshooting, unplug the washer from the power outlet and wait for a few minutes. Then, plug it back in and check if the error code persists. If it does, proceed to the next step. Check the washer's wiring and connections to ensure they are secure and not damaged. Verify that all connectors are properly attached to the control board and other components. Next, inspect the washer's sensors, such as the lid switch, door switch, and water level sensor. Make sure they are clean and free from debris. If any of these sensors are faulty, replace them with new ones. If the issue persists, try resetting the washer's control board. This can be done by pressing and holding the cancel and start buttons simultaneously for a few seconds. Release the buttons and wait for the washer to restart. In some cases, the E1 error code may be caused by a software issue. In this case, you may need to update the washer's firmware or replace the control board entirely. To prevent future occurrences of the E1 error code, regularly clean and maintain your washer. Check for loose connections, and ensure that the washer is properly installed and leveled. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the Frigidaire washer error code E1. If the issue persists, it is recommended to consult a professional appliance technician for further assistance.